Okay, I'll just repeat like what is done yesterday. Okay, so we just done practice of static block and instance blocks. Okay, and also the constructors, the default constructor and parameterized constructor, and I use this keyword. Okay, and what is local block? So if you declare the block inside any method, then it is called as local block. Okay, let's go and just review once. So this is the static block, and we can write any number of static blocks, and the order will be the order which we have declared in the class, the order of execution, and the same with the instance blocks. So order of execution will be same as the order which we written, but if there is a constructor, then constructor will be called next. After instance blocks, then constructor will be called. And instance blocks will only be called when we create an object. If we don't create an object, then it will not be instance block will not be executed. But static block can be executed without creating an object. Okay. And instance variables, static variables. Okay. Now I will tell today there is another concept, inheritance. Okay. Say suppose this is a car. Okay. There is one instance variable and one static variable. Okay. Let's ignore static variable for now. Okay. Just focus on only instance variable. Okay. So this is having some properties, and there will be say suppose today one car is released. Okay. After 2 years, there will be new cars released with more number of features, more number of behavior of the cars, more number of different data of the cars, and the behavior of the cars are different along with the existing features of the old car. Correct? Are you getting the point? Hello?
హలో
రెస్పాండ్ చేయాలి లేదంటే ఇట్ నాట్ బీన్ ఇంటరాక్ట్.
ఓకే హలో
Yeah, please respond because it will not be interactive, because I need to know that you guys are understanding.
ఓకే
Okay. So how do you design if you want to design that kind of thing? Say suppose you have an old car, and so if you are adding new features, so how can you implement in programmatically? Okay. So to use not to duplicate the code again. Okay, we have to use the inheritance concept to avoid the duplicate code. Suppose I want the old car features as well, the existing car features as well as new features I want. So how do you define it? So there is a concept called inheritance. How it can be achieved? So this is having some feature. Okay, say suppose public start start engine. Okay, this is one behavior. Okay, start engine. Public log doors. Okay. I have two functions in car1 class, start engine and lock doors. Okay.
Mm.
And I will write two more functions. Okay. Accelerate. Okay. These are the common functions of the existing car. Okay. And apply brake. Okay. So this existing car is having options accelerate, apply brake, lock doors. Okay. And start engine. Okay. Now there is a new car which have the new features along with the existing all these features. So I want all these features without writing the duplicate code. So we can achieve that using class new car. I will write a new car. Extends is a keyword and the class name car1. Okay. I will extend. So if you extend the car, then we will get all the data and the behavior. All the data and all the behavior. These methods will be included. Along with this, we want to add any new functionality. Say suppose public void auto headlamps. This is new features add. Okay. So there is no feature available in the existing car auto headlamps. That means when you start the engine, it will get automatically uh, l- so lamps will be built upon night. So based upon the auto headlamps on if darkness. Okay. This is one feature it's added in new car along with existing features. So this is the way we need to utilize. You have to use extends the keyword and use the class name which you want the inherit the properties or the behavior of a this class. Okay. And you cannot extend more than one class. You can extend only one class. Okay. So any doubts till now?
No, sir.
Okay. So now I need, so when you do the start engine, okay, I want to lock the doors. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, a car, new car, okay. Car1 dot start engine. Okay. When I when I start the engine, it should automatically lock the doors in a new car. Okay. I want that kind of feature. So any idea like how you can achieve that? So in the existing car1, hello,
Hello.
go ahead. Let's try to print. Okay.
Car1 dot lock doors we can call in the
Car1 dot lock doors. Okay. We can call car1.lock doors, as someone said.
Yeah, in the new car, right?
Okay, in the new car, what I need to add? Yeah, you can
So
tell.
in new car we want to
R
lock the
one
door,
dot.
right? Yeah.
You are saying new car.
No, in the new car class we will
Okay.
add we will call car one dot lock doors.
Where you are adding? Where will you add car1.lock doors?
In new car class, sir.
See, it is already having all the methods of car1. Okay. There is no other methods. There is no starting them.
Hmm.
Okay, it's already extending the properties of car1. So if you see new car, okay, new car equal to new car, okay. You see new car dot start engine, okay. So now it should print start engine as well as lock doors when you start the engine. So ideally, how it is possible when you do here lock doors, then it is achieved, correct? So it is starting the engine as well as locking the doors when you call start engine method. Okay, this is actual required thing in the new car, but we cannot change in the existing car. Old car we cannot change. We cannot change the functionality in the old car, but we need this feature only in the new car. So how we can do? So we have to, there is a concept called override. Okay, we can write the same signature, okay, but we can write the different implementation. Let me try to execute, okay. So I'll remove this one. In old car, if you start the engine, then it will not lock the doors. In the new car, if you start the engine, it will lock the doors. What is happening? Like Java application R1. So what happened? First start engine is called. Wait, I will differentiate it. Okay. So first car1 dot new car start engine. This is old one. Okay, it just started engine. But when you call this new car dot start engine, then it is locking the doors as well. Okay, you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will ask you one more thing. Okay? Please turn off. Accelerate. Okay. Now can I call this accelerate method on car1 and new car? Can I call or not? Because in new car, we don't have any method with accelerate or brake.
Yes, sir. We can call.
Why we can call?
సార్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ యూజ్ చేసాం కదా సార్, ఇంకా మెథడ్స్ అన్ని న్యూ కార్ లోకి ఇన్హెరిట్
Yes,
అయిపోతాయి
right.
కదా.
So you are correct. So because we extended, we are inheriting the properties of the super. We call this as superclass. This who is extending it, it will be called as subclass. Okay, so that means we can call new car dot accelerate. Okay, let's see. So it's called accelerate rise. There is no change in the acceleration in the old car and the new car. There are no changes in the accelerate implementation. So I'm using the same behavior. Okay, say suppose in the new car, if you're accelerating, so it is going more, it is pickup is more. Okay, so then I can override the behavior with the same signature. Okay, pickup change accelerate. See, now we are calling the same method name, but when you call with new car, now it is changed because we have written the sum implementation. Okay. So to inherit the properties, you have to extend the class that is called as superclass, and this is called as subclass. And if you want to override the behavior of the superclass methods, then you have to write the method signature same as superclass, and you can write your own implementation, what new car does. Okay. Okay, I will stop here. Okay. Okay, please join tomorrow at 9:30 because it will get late for me. Okay. Tell me like if you have any doubts.